slowly. It's so low on gas though, because the O2 sensor's still reading wrong, so it just eats the gas. Yeah, it's a lot quieter. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark Roden, and of course, we're doing 350Z content. In case you guys didn't know, top 10s and good, bad, and uglies are all the way. If you want to know why that happened, go watch the last YouTube video. It's a sad, sad story. But we're here with Ben Jammin. He's Ben Jammin. We're here with Zach and Carrie, and we're gonna lower the Z some more. This tire is really low on air, but that's okay. Anyway, yeah, we're lowering the Z some more because I want to be full hot boy, and when it's so high, it's just like,
I'm so glad you said this.
Has so much shake. It has so much shake, Zach. I'm so glad I said I want to go lower. Yeah, yeah, it's that monster truck height, but. Alright guys, so 350Zs are simple AF. Simple AF. Literally, you just take the wheel off, pop this little bolt out right there. Adjust your ride height. I'm going an inch higher, like I said. I'm not changing the spring rate, that's fine. Eric's gonna mess with the dampening because he's such a good guy. And yeah, then just push that up, that inch. Tighten her back down, and that side's already lowered, and you just have to keep doing that. The other side. Hi Eric.
What's up,
you guys? Can't say hi to my channel yet.
What up?
There you go. What are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing a cooling mod in the WRX today, but you might not have the one tool. We need a 12 mil Allen key, which is a big oddball. The biggest one I found is 10 so far.
Oh, shite. First side is pretty much done. This one might be a little bit higher than 1 inch to be honest. It dropped a little bit lower than 1 inch because I forgot to measure it before we started jacking this puppy back up. But it's okay. You ready, Ben? Whoa. Ben's gonna have to call in the big guns because of that.
I gotta stud to the chest, dog.
This thing has to go back
so
in
dumb next
there.
time.
So you have to pull the knuckle down.
Pull it?
Yeah. And Ben just...
Alright.
It's all the way on it.
Oh shit.
Now we're gonna have to raise it. That's why I'm saying we should have done it like one at a time, because then we can put the jack under there and push it up without... But, I don't know. Here,
that's way easier. Pick it up, Ben.
Then you gotta pick it up? Yeah, pick it back up. Okay, well while they're doing that side, in case you guys don't know, because I don't really know, this is how you do coilovers, man. We already installed them obviously, but how do you adjust the height? These little rings here adjust your spring rate here. This one down here can adjust your ride height, and then you can spin this. Some of them actually let you spin the whole thing. You don't even have to take this off. But you have to, unfortunately on the Z, you have to take this bottom bolt off so this can spin. It's all connected there. Then you spin it up. We're lowering it an inch, so just measure an inch. Rock this thing up, go up an inch. Like I said, take that off, spin it back up, and it's done. It's literally that simple. It's so easy, but sometimes it's even easier because some cars you don't have to drop that bolt out, but this one you do.
Ben's a human jack.
Jesus Christ.
We're doing this the hard way because max feeding rods suck.
Yeah, that's what I just told him. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by them anymore, so don't buy max feeding rods.
My friend Rob bought a first-gen Subaru
years ago, you
ago,
told me about
and
this.
after he put it back to stock, he decided he wanted to lower it again, so we got max feeding rods. A week later, they literally snapped in half while he was driving, and he almost totaled his car, and we had to get it towed back. Yeah.
That's just
I have the clip and I'll send it to you. Don't let me forget. So I can prove them wrong because I'm not all talk on this.
So don't buy max feeding rods, but if you do, use code SMOOTH at checkout, 10% off. Like you, 10% off some $500 coils. That's a pretty good deal. Not
$200
$200 coils. Yeah, okay, you're right. Hey, look, it says PP on this. It says PP right there, boys.
See that PP?
Yeah, it says PP on that piece of plastic.
Ben's looking at peepees. Just caught him in 4K.
Ben's looking at peepees. right, so update. We lowered it 3/4 of an inch on 3 sides. We're working on the 4th side now. You might not think 3/4 of an inch is going to be a big difference if you don't really know ride height, but like that's a pretty damn big difference. Like, imagine this, right? 3/4 of an inch is like that much lower. Like that's a pretty big difference.
Stop exposing me.
I'm exposing Eric Buddha's drift rig.
Dude, I want him specking out my line.
Eric, your brakes. Eric's brakes are so nice.
Huh?
Your brakes are so nice. They make like no noise.
It's a Subaru thing. You won't understand.
I love it.
Oh, this is terrible, Mark.
Ben's being ruthless. Yeah, this is, by the way, boys, this is not fun. So, this, what do you even call that?
The
shaft?
The shaft of the coil, the threaded shaft.
It doesn't want to move. It's
very similar to my
corroded,
shaft, threaded.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, boy. Exposing Eric Buddha?
Possibly.
Threaded shaft, please hit him up. Anyway, so that's how much we have to lower it. And it's not fun. It's not fun. So on this side, you don't even have to take this bottom bolt out. Don't actually take the bottom bolt out because then it gets worse. But you just have to move that way, and it goes threads down. And then you can tighten
spin it
this back
counter or clockwise.
Yeah.
Clockwise.
And
But
then
we
it's
out
also-
here. We out here helping the boy.
outside. All right, boys. So update. We're not fully done. Well, we're done with the lowering the car, but I just have a couple more things I need to do, and Eric has to go grab something. But pretty much, the fronts had more steps. These were probably harder, but they didn't have as much steps. These tires are getting bowed. But anyway, on the backs, literally, you don't even have to take the bottom bolt out. You can just thread them. The fronts were stuck. Obviously, if you have not max PP rod coilovers, you could just do that on all 4 corners. But we dropped it 3/4 of an inch in the front too, 3/4 of an inch on that side, and then this side, I had a clunk in the rear, and I think it was because we lowered this side a lot more than we lowered the rest of the wheel suspension on every other corner, because this side was already 3/4 lower than the rest, and so hopefully that's why it was clunking so much too, because that would kind of make sense. But now I guess it's moment of truth.
So, surprisingly, max pitting rods are 24 weight dampening. So I think what I'm going to do is just set you on 18 on the front, because you have the motor, it's a little bit heavier with body roll. And then I don't know if Zach, you want to go in the rear and do those, put them on like 12, because it's not as much weight.
They're already at 12.
Yeah, I think they already are at 12 in the back.
Maybe go up a little bit, because there's quite a bit of body. Go up to like 15.
How do I pop this puppy?
Oh, I got you. But yeah, we're just setting the dampening now, boys. All right, boys, moment of truth. Go ahead, Zachary. Looks the same. It doesn't look that much different, to be honest. Hold
The
on.
front's definitely lowered down a lot.
We're gonna have it.
Whoa.
Well, if you take the arms out and you open up the doors and just kind of bounce on the suspension.
This side is way lower. This side's almost rubbing.
This tire would be flat. I don't know if that doesn't.
Oh yeah, this tire's flat, bro.
Ah, yeah. That side is absolutely dirt nasty, though. Alright, let me get the air gun, fill these up, and then we'll update you guys there. I forgot about that part.
Here we are again. I got the camera like I did in the last vlog, because Mark's slacking on filming things like usual, but she's all finished up. She's looking nice. She's sounding nice. I haven't heard this thing in person yet. It sounds so much better on the cold start.
Oh, and it's so cold. Yeah.
Doesn't sound like a normal VQ. Hell yeah. Shameless plug real quick. If you haven't checked my channel out, check it out. Eric Buddha. We do rear-wheel drive WRX things and street drifting and break the law. So subscribe. Is she raked? Let's see.
Stuck on the bumper.
Oh shit.
Where did it stuck on the bumper?
Oh shit. This is starting to be like Rex status now. Oh, you can still fit your foot under the bumper. The Rex couldn't fit the bands underneath the. You definitely need some air. Yeah. Ooh, exposed butt crack.
You saw my booty cheeks?
You have to cut that. I liked it, but is that a flat? What?
I wish I had some nice tires on the back so I could see if it's like.
terrible.
Definitely way lower than it was before.
The front for sure.
You really won't be able to tell with the back of it until you get your actual wheels on and not your drift burners. Why'd you shut it off? I wanted to die of fumes.
Gas already.
I feel that I had to put 15 bucks in here and then stop at Dunkin' because certain people can't live without Dunkin', even though
I
it's
needed a bag.
arguably the worst coffee and drinks and food beverages on the
They have
planet.
really good hot chocolate.
Shut up, it's literally just fucking chocolate powder and water.
Hot chocolate buses, and theirs is like
Grow up.
All right, boys. So that's pretty much it. Everybody's gone now. That's pretty much it for today. 350Z content. We got this side is perfect, right where I want it to be. That's like the fitment that I want on all corners. As you can see, you can like barely fit your finger into there. See that? That's what I want on all corners. The rear is way lifted higher than the fronts, and then this side is even higher than that side. So we still have some minor tweaking to do, but after that, should be good. Oh, the Nismo floor mats, not in yet. We're gonna do that on another day actually, but those are gonna look sick. And we got the RGB lights and the duck bill. We got a lot of stuff to do. Zach left his stupid jack here, but yeah, that was it. That's it for today. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Das Danya. Have a nice night.